Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on making money in 2023 with new ideas. In this lesson, we will explore some innovative business ideas and discuss how you can turn them into profitable ventures. Let's begin by looking at some trends and predictions for the year 2023. According to experts, the global economy is expected to grow at a steady pace in 2023. Consumer behavior is also likely to change, with people becoming more conscious about their health, the environment, and social issues. One way to capitalize on this trend is by creating eco-friendly products. There is a growing demand for sustainable products that have minimal impact on the environment. You can start by researching the market and identifying products that can be made from sustainable materials. Some examples include bamboo toothbrushes, reusable shopping bags, and biodegradable phone cases. Another trend that's gaining popularity is personalized nutrition. With advancements in technology and data analysis, it's now possible to create customized meal plans and supplements based on an individual's DNA, lifestyle, and health goals. You can consider starting a business that offers personalized nutrition plans, either online or through a brick-and-mortar store. The pandemic has changed the way we interact with each other, and virtual events have become the new norm. Even as things return to normal, many people will prefer attending events from the comfort of their homes. You can start a business that specializes in organizing virtual events, such as conferences, workshops, and concerts. Online learning has become more popular than ever, and online tutoring is a promising niche. You can start a business that provides online tutoring services in various subjects, such as math, science, languages, and music. You can hire experienced tutors or work as a freelancer and offer your services on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. With the aging population, there is a growing need for e-commerce platforms that cater to seniors. Many older adults may find it challenging to navigate online shopping, and a specialized platform can make it easier for them to buy the products they need. You can start an e-commerce business that focuses on selling products that are popular among seniors, such as mobility aids, home healthcare products, and comfortable clothing. Niche subscription boxes. Subscription boxes have become a popular way for consumers to try new products. You can start a business that offers niche subscription boxes for specific audiences, such as beauty products for men or eco-friendly products for pet owners. Social media management. As social media continues to dominate the online world, businesses are looking for professionals to manage their social media presence. You can start a business that provides social media management services to businesses of all sizes. Virtual interior design. With many people working from home, the demand for virtual interior design services is on the rise. You can start a business that offers virtual interior design services, helping clients design and decorate their homes remotely. Health and wellness apps. With the growing interest in health and wellness, there is a need for apps that help people track their health and fitness goals. You can start a business that develops health and wellness apps for various audiences, such as seniors, new moms, or fitness enthusiasts. Sustainable fashion. As consumers become more aware of the environmental impact of fast fashion, there is a demand for sustainable fashion brands. You can start a business that offers sustainable fashion products, such as clothing made from organic cotton or recycled materials. Digital marketing for local businesses. Many local businesses struggle with online marketing, and you can start a business that provides digital marketing services to small businesses in your area. You can help them establish a strong online presence and attract more customers through social media, email marketing, and SEO. Online language tutoring. With globalization and the need to communicate with people from different countries, there is a demand for online language tutoring services. You can start a business that offers online language tutoring in various languages, such as English, Spanish, French, or Mandarin. In conclusion, there are many opportunities to make money in 2023 with new ideas. By staying abreast of the latest trends and consumer behavior, you can identify niches that have the potential for growth and profitability. I hope this lesson has inspired you to explore these ideas further and consider starting your own business. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your entrepreneurial journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.